Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be installing a lace wig, but before I go ahead and do that, I'm going to prep my edges, and to do that I'm going to be brushing them down with some gel, and then I'm going to go ahead and dry them. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my stocking cap on, and I'm not gonna glue it down today because I know that I can do a lace wig without doing a ball cap. So today we're not gonna do no ball cap. The hair that I'm going to be reviewing today is from this company called Tinashe, and this is actually my second time working with them. Along with the hair, they sent me this bag that includes a little goodies that you usually get when you get your wigs. I got this stocking cap in there. I also got 2 pairs of lashes. I also got this bonnet, which I really like. I like the way it fits so nicely on my head even when I'm wearing wig. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. It's their 26-inch Kinky straight lace front wig. And it also has a few clips in the back of it for extra support, of course. And it has this piece of lace on the back, which I'm going to cut off before I even start to install the hair. The texture is really nice and soft, but since it's not pre-bleached, I'm going to go ahead and add some foundation on the lace to give it a nice natural look at the root. This is the foundation that I'm going to be using. I'm also going to be adding some onto my stocking cap. So I'm going to go ahead and squeeze a few pumps onto my hand, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply it, starting with my stocking cap. Now, as you can see, I've gone and applied the foundation onto the lace of the wig and also onto my stocking cap, and now I'm going to go ahead and put my wig on. As you can see here, I'm adjusting it to my liking before I go ahead and cut anything or before I even add anything to glue it on. So as you can see here, the wig has a flap over my ears, which I'm gonna have to cut off. But before I do that, I'm gonna use my hot comb to slick my hair back at the front. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these pieces off from the side. So I'm just going to split the hair on the left and the right side, and this is going to make it so much easier to, secure the wig down. I also use some pins to hold the lace back just to make it a little bit easier. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my Got To Be Glued Free Spray to hold my wig on. When I'm doing this, I do about 3 layers, which means I spray it on, dry it, spray it on again, dry it, and then the third time I spray it on, I apply the lace and then dry it. It seems to work better for me this way. This is the reason why I do it like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the sides. Now that I've completed gluing on the lace on the entire front, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down and allow it to dry some more. Now that it's completely dry, I'm gonna take the band off and I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and give myself a nice side part. Now I'm using my hot comb to sleek down the hair around the parting because I want it to look as natural as possible. For my edges, I'm going to be using my BTL foam wrap lotion to sleek them down. I'm also gonna cut some sideburns and sleek them down using the same foam wrap lotion. Now I'm using my foundation to brighten up the parting that I've made so it will have a more natural look to it. The next step is I'm going to add some more foam wrap lotion around the edges of my hair and then I'm going to tie it down and leave it to completely dry. Now I'm using my blow dryer to blow up my hair to get out any folds that may be in it from being folded up in the box that it came in. And this is the final look, guys. Tell me if this is not the most gorgeous lace front kinky straight wig that you guys have seen. Okay, maybe it's not, but I gotta say, it came out looking so much better than I expected. It's laid so sleek, it looks so natural, so I am so in love. Look at that gorgeous hair. Oh my goodness, it's so dense, and that's another thing I really love about it. It is so nice and full. I absolutely love it. I can't lie. I couldn't stop putting my hand in it, keep running my finger through it. And another thing, it doesn't tangle. So yeah, I couldn't keep my hand out of my hair for some reason. I absolutely love the hair. It's beautiful. Again, this wig is from Tinashe and it's their 26-inch kinky straight 13 by 4 lace front wig. If you find this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up, and also make sure you check the description box for all the information on the hair just in case you're interested to purchase one for yourself. If this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!